Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be cleaning out the dispenser drawer. Quite a mess there, and yeah, I'm going to clean this out. And to do that, all you need to do is pull it out. So if you push down on that, so you do press on this, and with the other hand just gently pull out. Okay, so that's it. Easy done. Easy does it. Still nice and clean in there, as you can see there, so that's okay. So it's just this actually that needs cleaning. There we go. Let me just bring it into the light so you can just see how filthy that has become over the last couple of months since I got it. So I think it has been cleaned since then, but it quickly does build up, doesn't it? Some clips on the back, underneath, sorry, there. Can you see that? So what you need to do is just press down on these clips here to remove this from this. So I've just pressed down on this grey button here, clip. So you just click on there, and then you click on the other one, and then you push it down, and as you can see there, it's come away. So I'm just going to continue to slide this off. And there it is, it's come away. So you can now clean the dispenser drawer, and I believe this also comes out as well. Again, just lift it out. Yeah, really do need a tripod for this. And it's quite slippery, but yeah, that does come out. There you go. So that's now easier to clean. Okay, so all you need is a brush. This brush is too big to get really deep in there, so I'm going to need a toothbrush. So I'm going to try and find one. One moment. Have you got a toothbrush? Have you got a toothbrush? And that's it. Okay, all we need to do now is put it back together again. So how did we do this?
Help is on the way.
So this goes in there. Two clips there. It goes in those bits there. So that will just go like that. You dig me? So you push down. Oh, it's done. Nicely slotted in place. And to remove it, obviously again you push down on those clips there to take it off. Okay, it's slotted in anyway now. There you go. And now we can put that back in the washing machine. Oh yes, I forgot to mention the dispenser comes with this as well. And that just separates the compartments up. The question is, where does it go? Where does it go on the dispenser drawer? You know what? I don't know. So what I'm going to do now, well, first of all, can I put this back in?
First of all, just slot that in. I wonder if you have to push it down to slot it in. No?
Nothing as simple as it looks.
So that's not going in. It's nothing as simple as it looks.
Okay, I'm just going to have to bend down a bit. One moment, it's just this tripod's in the way. You got to blame your tools. Let me just zoom.
Let's see what we're dealing with.
So all it required was a gentle force. So just slot it in like that. And that's it. Don't know how this goes in. I'm going to find out. One moment. Okay, this is used for liquids. So, and I think it goes in there, that bit of the dispenser drawer. Oh, like that. Okay, it flips up. So, there you go. That's where it goes, in the dispenser drawer compartment. Okay, don't need that now because we usually use powder detergent, but this is for liquid detergent. Okay, I'm going to slot it in like that. And that's it. So let's see if we can just pull it out. Do you have to press something and then pull it out? It's not working. Hold on. Yes, it does work. You just need me to put the camera down and...
This fleece as well, I'm wash. Just check the pockets. Okay. Let's check the garment label, because I've never washed something like this before. I'm sure it's going to be okay. Yeah, it's going to be okay. Bed cover as well. This is the, not bed, what is it? Mattress cover. That's going in as well. £9 kilogram drum. I hope everything will fit in.